how to use the photo thing in Walmart app. So you should be able to find it here in your services. And take note, you will only be able to use this as a side tool where you should be able to connect it to an actual physical printer in store, which you should be able to find, inside an actual Walmart. So in the services, just go ahead and scroll down a bit until you find the photo center where you can create parent wall art. So you're gonna be doing most of the options here in your device. So just go ahead and open with Chrome, which will be sent you to something like this, a browser. So you're gonna be choosing what kind of photo print you want, maybe on a mug or a frame. So get on and choose whichever you want. Maybe some sort of display and some sort of Canva or wall art. So once you've finished with your decision, just go ahead and upload your design. Specifically, this one is the mounted wall art. And once you upload the design, it should be directly printed on a specific mounted wall art that you have chosen for your own design. You also have sizes over here, but once you've done uploading your designs and whatnot, you should be able to confirm it and send it to the actual device inside that Walmart. So hopefully this video can help you, and if it does, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.